Now here's how you can add audio to iMovie on the iPad, and let's begin. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials like this one. Well, of course, whenever you are inside of your iMovie project, you can tap on the plus icon in the top left corner, and obviously we have some like photos, videos, whatever, but you can also tap on the, like at the bottom we have the media section or the audio section. Right, so this is how you can just switch in between those. So when you go to the audio, you can bring in your music from the Apple Music, or you can also bring in your soundtracks, right, which might also have access to, or even the sound effects are in here, right? So I guess that would work out as well. Keep in mind, however, that if you have some of your own sounds saved in the Files app, you can access them by not going to the audio section, but being in the main media page and clicking on the Files, which will make your Files like window open up, and there are all of the photos, videos, and audios available right there. So if you have like a recording or your own MP3 file, your own music created through GarageBand, for example, or anything else, you can tap on it like this and it will be brought over to the iMovie project. So you can obviously just drag it to the proper position, adjust the volume or even some other effects, even though in iMovie it's not like that extensive in terms of like the effects, but it works, it gets the job done. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if it worked for you. Most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later.